How to delete contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And from here, open up the Contacts app. So you need to swipe across and locate Contacts. After you have opened up Contacts, tap on the More button, then tap on Select from the menu. In here, scroll down the list and select the contacts that you want to delete. So here I've selected 2 contacts from favorites. You can also scroll down here and select more contacts. After that, tap on the delete button, then tap on move to trash or to simply delete if you do not have your contact trash turned on. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.